Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan and today's video is very special. Now, today's video is shot at my godmother's place. As most of you know, I just returned back from a long vacation in India and I had this opportunity to shoot a recipe video at my godmother's place. My godmother is one of the best cook, and while I was there, I wanted to shoot more videos with her, but unfortunately time did not permit. But however, I managed to shoot one of her recipe. So when I was at her place, her daughter-in-law was making shippy curry, which is her recipe. So I decided to shoot this video. Okay, shippy is nothing but shellfish. It's a type of shellfish which is known as clams. Clams are a tender body fish tucked in a shell, okay, which is buried in the sand. So it's very important to wash this fish properly. So in this video, I will show you how to clean this fish, wash this fish and make this amazing curry. The curry can be eaten with rice, bread, chapati or bhakri. It tastes delicious. So stick till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. Now most of the shellfish are buried deep in the sand, and so is these clams as well. So it's very important to wash them thoroughly. So we'll begin with washing them at least 2 to 3 times until we get rid of all the sand which is collected on this shellfish. Now opening these clams would be the trickiest part, and I always wondered how to open them, but here's the trick. Simply place these clams on medium to low heat without adding any water and let them cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will open up the clams. Now in the meanwhile, while the clams are heating, let's take a look at what's going into our masala. Now in a mixer jar, we are combining 1 cup of grated coconut, 15 small garlic cloves. If you have the big ones, you can use 6 to 7. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, a lime-sized piece of tamarind, and we'll also add 1 roughly chopped medium-sized onion and 1 medium-sized tomato. Now we'll add a little water and blend everything into a smooth paste. So it's been around 5 to 10 minutes. Now as you can see, the boiling part of the shippy is almost done, and now we will strain the water. Okay, now this water we don't have to throw because all the flavor is in this water, and we'll utilize this water while making the gravy. Now once all the water has been strained off, we carefully remove the empty half of each shell, keeping only the half that holds the fish. And that's it. Now we'll start with the cooking process. Now the cooking is very simple. In a pot, we've taken 1 tablespoon of oil, in which we'll be adding fresh curry leaves, followed by 3 green chilies slit. So we just saute this for around 30 seconds, and then we will add in the ground masala. So here as you can see, the masala is nicely ground into a smooth paste. So we add this and we will roast this for another 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Okay, so we've roasted this for around 5 minutes, and now we will add in the shellfish, that's the shippy. And always remember, don't add any salt because this fish, the shellfish, has a lot of salt in it. Okay, so add the salt later when it's finally done. You can just adjust the salt after tasting it. Okay, so we are utilizing all the masala from the mixer. We added water, and you can adjust the water according to the thickness of the gravy. So we gave this a boil for around 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium flame. Okay, and now we have tasted the curry for salt, and the salt is perfect. If in case you find the salt less, you can adjust it now. So now the shippy curry, the shellfish curry, is done. So now we'll close it with a lid. Okay, we'll turn off the flame and we'll let it rest for a while. And finally, it's time to serve our clams. That's Shippy curry. Look at this. It looks delicious. I'm already serving this for myself because this is smelling delicious and I'm going to enjoy this with rice. Alright guys, so the Shippy curry is ready, and as you can see I'm eating this with rice. You can eat it with rice or you can eat it with kadak pav or naram pav, or my mouth is already watering. You can eat it with rice bhakri also. It will taste amazing. It's smelling good, and while tasting for the salt, I already tasted the curry. It was super flavorful. So let me taste it with the rice. The taste of the shippy, the juice, it's just bursting in the mouth. It's amazing. It's not very spicy. Perfect curry. The salt also is perfect. Do try this recipe at home. Do let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe, how you like this video. Give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, and do remember to subscribe. Till then, my name is Stan. I will come up with another recipe, another video. Till then, bye bye.